Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can disconnect airlines and reconnect airlines, which are the push-in, pull-out style of pneumatic fittings. Now, when you are looking to disconnect or reconnect airlines, the first thing you want to do is to disconnect the air supply to the pneumatic machine. And so you're removing the pressure so that the airlines are unprimed. It can be very hard to undo or disconnect or reconnect airlines if the air is primed through the system. So the first thing to do is disconnect the air supply. And now the way these fittings work is, can you see that there's an orange ring around here? So at the moment, if I tug on this airline, it's quite firm. I can't pull it out. But if you push that orange ring in and then pull the airline out, you'll be able to release the airline. So you can see that that fitting has a little bit of a spring on it, spring tension. So now it's very easy for me to push that airline in, and when you push it all the way in, it locks, and now when I try and pull it out, it won't come out. But if I, once again, push in with the orange ring and then pull out, it comes out quite easily. So you can see here it's very easy to disconnect the airlines, but once again it's easy too when the air is not primed through the system. So first thing to do, disconnect the air, and then by pushing on these rings you can then pull the airlines out and replace them or replace the fittings as you need to.